Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Teams meeting on Mac step by step clearly. To record a Teams meeting on a Mac, start by launching the Microsoft Teams app. Ensure you are logged into your account. Join the meeting you wish to record. Once in the meeting, locate the control bar at the bottom of the screen. Click on the three dots, also known as the More Actions button. In the drop-down menu, select the Start Recording option. A notification will appear, indicating that the recording has begun. All participants in the meeting will receive a notification that the meeting is being recorded. To stop the recording, return to the three dots in the control bar. Select Stop Recording from the same drop-down menu. A confirmation message will appear to ensure you want to stop the recording. Once confirmed, the recording will be processed and saved. You can find the recording in the meeting chat after it has been processed. Access the chat by clicking on the chat icon in the sidebar. The recording will appear as a link that you can click to open and download. Ensure you notify all participants about the recording in accordance with privacy policies. Now, you're ready to record a Teams meeting seamlessly on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.